All right, guys, so what we got here is a Yamaha Zuma crank, top performances variator kit. I'm going to show you, I've had some guys come in and say, hey, why is my dry face getting all screwed up? Something super common that people forget about, or their scooter didn't come with it because somebody's messed with it in the past, is this is how it goes together, right? So you've got your crank, your pulley, and your dry face. This guy goes on like so. So if you just put your nut on there, or you put a washer on there that's the same diameter, you're not going to put any pressure up against this cup holding everything together. You're just going to bottom that nut out on that spline. So eventually this is going to keep rocking back and forth until it screws up, because the aluminum is going to be softer, obviously. So as this rocks back and forth, you're just going to widen out all these spots here. So this guy goes on like so, and then the most important piece people don't think about is this washer. You can see it's bowed. It's like that for a reason. So when this washer goes over the top, and you take this nut and you go over like this, you're putting all the force from the nut is going down on this kicker cup, and everything's going to be tight. So you need to make sure you've got this washer in here. You don't have that washer in there, don't have that special washer, and just using a regular one, eventually you're going to destroy this face. So very important. Like I said, most people aren't aware of this, but these washers are bowed. They don't go in like that, they go in like this. So that way when you put your nut on there, you're applying pressure to this cup rather than the spline. If your face is out far enough, because you've shimmed it, maybe, it's kind of tight, it's all new. If your face is out far enough, and you've got your kicker cup in here, and your splines are below the surface of that cup, then you're not gonna have a problem. But if it's down further, your splines are sticking up, you need to make sure you've got this special washer in here to put the force down properly where it should go. So that's why I'm a big fan of these kits. These kits come with all these parts that no other kits come with. So comes with the shim, this spacer here, the conical washer, the kicker cup, and the star. So that's probably $25 worth of stuff at your Yamaha dealer, or 20 bucks worth of stuff. So it's kind of a nice bonus. So this is the same, this is gonna be the theory on any bike that uses this star style here. So again, that's only gonna apply if your splines are sticking up past the kicker cup. If they're not sticking up past the kicker cup and they're recessed, you're gonna be fine. If they're sticking up, even if they're flush, I would probably still run one of these washers. So hopefully that helps explain guys that are doing variator kits and having issues with these things getting all screwed up. So there you have it.